What if I told you that the ugly yellow and brown stains destroying your toilet have a fix that costs exactly $2, and the billion-dollar cleaning industry has been hiding it from you for decades? Right now, somewhere in a factory, a company is bottling a product with 57 ingredients, charging you $30 and laughing all the way to the bank. Because they know the truth. They know one simple liquid sitting in your local pharmacy. For $2, does the exact same job. Actually, it does a better job. Today, you're going to learn the hydrogen peroxide method that plumbers and cleaning professionals use behind closed doors but never tell their clients. You will never spend money on those useless toilet cleaning bombs again. You will never scrub for 30 minutes and still see stains again. Stay until the end, because the last tip will genuinely shock you and change how you clean your entire bathroom forever. Think about your toilet right now. Really picture it. That ugly ring around the waterline, that dark brown buildup under the rim, those yellowish rust streaks running down toward the drain. You have scrubbed it. You have poured bleach on it. You have used those blue tablet things that turn the water blue but do absolutely nothing for actual stains. You have bought the foaming sprays, the gel cleaners, the scrubbing pads with the special bristles. And still, those stains come back, sometimes within days. Does that sound familiar? Because millions of people go through this exact frustration every single week. Most people assume the stains mean their toilet is old or broken, or that they need a plumber. And that is exactly what the cleaning industry wants you to think. The average American household spends between $200 and $400 every single year on toilet and bathroom cleaning products. $400 on products that do not even work properly. And if the stains get bad enough, people call a plumber or a professional cleaning service. Those visits cost between $150 and $300 for a single appointment. The professional shows up, spends 20 minutes, and uses a product you could buy yourself for $2, but they will never tell you that. Why would they? Your ignorance is their income. The yellow stains you're seeing are caused by mineral deposits, hard water calcium buildup, and iron oxide, which is basically just rust from your water pipes. The dark ring at the waterline is bacteria and mold combining with those same minerals. These are not signs of a dirty person or a broken toilet. These are chemistry problems. And chemistry problems have chemistry solutions. Simple, cheap, $2 solutions. Here is what they buried. Back in the 1940s and 1950s, hydrogen peroxide was widely used as a household cleaning and disinfecting agent. Hospitals used it, factories used it, ordinary families used it. It was cheap, it was effective, and it was everywhere. Then something interesting happened in the late 1950s and through the 1960s. The major chemical manufacturing companies like those behind the biggest cleaning brands you see today, realized something dangerous. Dangerous to their profits, that is. They realized that if people kept using hydrogen peroxide, a product that costs almost nothing to produce and nothing to patent, there would be no room for their expensive proprietary cleaning formulas. So they did what powerful industries always do. They funded studies emphasizing the limitations of hydrogen peroxide. They lobbied for it to be repositioned as a medical antiseptic only. They flooded the market with colorful, heavily marketed products that created the illusion of superiority. By the 1970s, the average household had completely forgotten about hydrogen peroxide as a cleaning agent. Entire generations grew up never knowing, and the cleaning product industry grew into a $40 billion a year empire built largely on that forgetting. What I am about to show you is the method that professional cleaning crews use when they think nobody is watching. It is the method passed between experienced plumbers who have seen it work on the worst stains imaginable. They spent millions keeping this quiet through advertising, through misleading product labels, through making you feel like you need complicated multi-step systems. Only a small fraction of people know this, and after today, you are one of them. The product is 3% hydrogen peroxide. That is the standard brown bottle you find at any pharmacy or grocery store. It costs between $1.50 and $2.50, depending on where you live. That is it. No mixing required, no special equipment, just that brown bottle. Now let me tell you why it works, because understanding this will make you never doubt it again. Hydrogen peroxide is H2O2. It is basically water with one extra oxygen molecule. When it contacts organic material like bacteria, mold, and the proteins in those stubborn stains, it releases that extra oxygen atom violently. That oxygen atom is like a tiny explosion at the molecular level. It literally breaks apart the chemical bonds holding the stain to your porcelain surface. This process is called oxidation. It is the same science that removes rust from metal, bleaches hair, and disinfects wounds. The difference between hydrogen peroxide and your $30 toilet cleaner is mostly marketing and artificial fragrance. Professional cleaning services that charge $150 per visit use industrial-strength hydrogen peroxide solutions. The 3% version you buy for $2 is gentler but absolutely powerful enough for household toilet stains, especially when you use the method correctly. The expensive toilet tablets you drop in your tank contain chemicals that actually degrade your toilet's internal rubber components over time. Plumbers love recommending them because they create future repair jobs. Hydrogen peroxide does not damage any part of your toilet. It is actually safer for your pipes and your septic system than most commercial cleaners. The price difference is staggering. $30 a month on cleaning products versus $2 every few months on hydrogen peroxide. Over 1 year, that is a saving of over $300. Over 5 years, you are looking at keeping $1,500 in your own pocket. Here is exactly how you do this. First, you want to lower the water level in your toilet bowl. You do this by turning the shutoff valve behind your toilet clockwise until it stops, then flushing once. The bowl will empty and refill only partially. This is important because you do not want the hydrogen peroxide diluted by a full bowl of water before it gets a chance to work on the stains. If you cannot find your shutoff valve, simply flush and immediately pour 2 cups of water into the tank from the top to stop the refill cycle. Then you take your bottle of 3% hydrogen peroxide and pour approximately 2 cups directly into the bowl. Make sure you aim it at the stained areas. Tilt the bottle toward the waterline ring and let it run down the sides of the bowl. You will notice it begins fizzing almost immediately. That fizzing is the oxidation reaction happening in real time. That is the oxygen being released and destroying the stain molecules. Do not scrub yet. This is the mistake most people make. They see the fizzing and immediately grab the brush. Wait. Let the hydrogen peroxide sit for at minimum 30 minutes. For severe stains, leave it for 2 hours. For stains that have been there for years, leave it overnight. While it sits, take a small amount of hydrogen peroxide on an old cloth and wipe the outside of the toilet, the tank, and the seat. It disinfects on contact. No rinsing needed on those surfaces. After your waiting time is complete, take your toilet brush and scrub. You will notice the stains come off with almost no effort. The hydrogen peroxide has already broken the bond between the stain and the porcelain. You are just physically removing what is already detached. For the stains under the rim, fold a piece of paper towel, soak it in hydrogen peroxide, and push it up under the rim with your brush. Leave it there during your wait time. This targets the hidden bacteria and mineral deposits that cause that dark rim buildup. After scrubbing, flush the toilet. If any stains remain, which is rare, repeat the process immediately. Do not mix hydrogen peroxide with bleach or any other cleaner, ever. That combination creates toxic fumes. Use hydrogen peroxide alone. It works alone. It does not need help. Thousands of people have now switched to this method, and the stories are remarkable. One person wrote that they had a rental property with a toilet so stained that they were prepared to replace it entirely. A new toilet installation in their city costs between $300 and $500, including labor. They tried the overnight hydrogen peroxide method first. The stains were gone by morning. They saved nearly $400 with a $2 bottle. Another viewer had hard water stains that had built up for 11 years in a vacation home toilet that was rarely cleaned. 3 treatments over 3 days, and the toilet looked factory new. Before and after comparisons show results that look impossible. Porcelain that looked permanently brown returned to bright white. The rust-colored streaks that run down the bowl from iron-heavy water supplies, gone after 1 treatment. The dark waterline ring that makes every toilet look neglected, lifted completely in under 2 hours. The results are not temporary either, because hydrogen peroxide does not just cover stains or mask them with fragrance, it destroys the actual chemical structure of the stain. Combined with a monthly maintenance pour of half a cup of hydrogen peroxide into your bowl before bed, new stains cannot establish themselves. People report their toilets staying white for 6, 8, even 12 months between deep cleans, and the disinfection is real and scientific, not just marketing language. Hydrogen peroxide eliminates bacteria, viruses, and mold on contact. Your toilet is actually cleaner after this method than after using most commercial products that sit in chemical residue. Share this with someone who is still wasting money on products that do not work. If this helped you, hit the like button right now because it helps more people find this information that the cleaning industry would prefer stayed hidden. Subscribe because next time the secret is even bigger. You are going to learn what one common kitchen ingredient does to blocked drains that plumbers charge $200 to fix. That one is going to make you genuinely angry at how simple it is. Your final tip before you go: pour half a cup of hydrogen peroxide into your toilet bowl every Sunday night before you sleep. Do not flush it until morning. Do this every week, and you will never see a toilet stain form again. Prevention takes 30 seconds. It costs less than 10 cents per week. That is the information they never want you to have. You now know. Use it.